Hi, my name is Brandon, and today we're going to learn how to yo-yo. Part 1. Today we're going to learn how to put the string on our finger, which finger the string should go on, a little yo-yo trick, how to put the yo-yo down, and how to bring the yo-yo up. And today I'm going to use a responsive yo-yo. I get my yo-yos from Yo-Yo Factory. So you're gonna want the string about belly button height. So then when it's belly button height, you can do a lot of tricks and it's not gonna hit the floor, you're not gonna damage your yo-yo. If I were you, I'd put it on my middle finger because it makes it a lot easier. And when you use your yo-yo, you want the top of the string to go down and hit your middle finger, like this. And when you do that, then you throw it down. You don't just drop it like this. And then it doesn't come up because it doesn't have enough energy. So how you're gonna wanna throw it is you're gonna wanna put your wrist back, kind of curved, and then kind of like whip it down, kind of, like that. But you don't want to go too hard, but you don't want it to go too little. You're going to want it to be able to come back to your hand. And you're going to put it down and be like, okay, what do I do next? How to bring it up? So you just give it a little tug, and then it comes up to your hand. And just a tip, you're going to want a higher quality yo-yo. Now we've learned how to throw it down, just a little tug, comes back up. And you might be like, why isn't this coming up first try? It might take a lot of practice. And after a day or so, you'll be a master. Now we've learned how to put the yo-yo on our finger, how to throw the yo-yo down, and now we're gonna learn how to do a tiny little trick. So the little trick is you'll take the yo-yo how you throw it down, but you're not gonna throw it down how you usually throw it down. So you're just going to put the yo-yo behind you, and you're gonna turn it like this. That's how you want it to look like. And then once you've done that, you're gonna throw it across. It might not come to you immediately, but after a while, you should get used to it and it should come back. That's the end of lesson 1. Thanks for watching. Bye.